Hi, my name is Joe, and I'm going to go over some of PubHub's primary features with you. I've got our app open here, and but before I get going, PubHub is a mobile ordering app for bars, restaurants, and cafes that allows the user to place an order on their phone, pay, and then have it either delivered to their table when it's ready, or have a notification when it's ready for pickup. So I'm going to click on the PubHub icon here. Our first screen is showing the list of locations that we're at. We're live at Nomad Cafe and Victory Point Cafe in Berkeley, but we're going to do the demo today on PubHub Demo 76. So here we can see all the different types of items we have, different categories. I'm going to get a coffee. We can choose between different types of variations, mixers, whatever we want. I'm going to just get a regular coffee today. I'm not feeling too fancy. But all these items and modifiers and everything, they come directly from Square, which is what I have over here. So I've added one item in my cart. I'm going to go to my cart view. I can change the quantity. I can set my table number so they know what table to deliver at. I'm currently at table 5. And we can see that our subtotal, tax, any discounts if applicable, a tip, and service fee. Service fee goes directly to PubHub, while the tip goes directly to the waitstaff. All PubHub orders have an automatic tip, and I've set mine at $1.25 per item, and the service fee is 5% of all orders. I click Confirm and Pay, and I can either pay with Apple Pay or with a credit card, which I have already saved in here. I'm going to click Pay and get a notification that my order has been placed. Now, this order will be sent directly into the Square terminal, and you might have just heard my printer go off. Square has received it, and they've already printed the ticket in the kitchen. Now, if I'm to go here and go to the order section, I will see a second new order here for Joe. We can see the item details. Here's my table number, my coffee, and the same item details here. Now, now that's the online version. What a bar or a restaurant would see would be this, which would be their Square terminal, which is based off an iPad, and all new orders come up in right here. We can click there, and you'd be able to see all the online orders that are coming from PubHub, which is us. So yeah, this is, we're finding especially at our one location that we've launched at, which is Victory Point Cafe. This is a board game cafe in Berkeley. So people are here and they spend hours playing board games with each other, which is awesome. But when you're playing a board game with a group of people, you don't want to have to get up each time to create an order. It's not necessarily always about the long line. Sometimes it's just about the convenience and in enjoying what you're currently doing. So whether that's playing a board game, listening to a concert, or having a beer with a friend at a beer garden. We've been finding a lot of the use cases for this can vary by location, but are equally important to the people who want to use it. Here this is an example of the Victory Point menu where they serve lots of different types of food. I'm jumping around, you might not be able to see, but I clicked on a category up here. I'm going to click on bottled drinks. You can see the different types of bottled drinks. We have an online admin panel to help manage some of these things, and if you have any questions, please reach out and ask. Thanks.